Hey my friends, welcome back to the channel. Now, I know it's been a long time since I've given you a video, and I'm so sorry for the wait, but thank you for being here. Today, I got a great video for you today. Sorry, is that my phone? Hello?
Hey, yo, Cloudy, what's going on?
Not much.
Did you get the damn message?
No.
They delayed Grand Theft Auto 6 again.
No way.
Now, you know what you need to do. Get over there, get on that channel, and show those folks how to install Grand Theft Auto Vice City on their PlayStation Vita. You got it?
I got it. I'll take care of it. Well, you heard the message from the man himself. Today, we're going to be installing Grand Theft Auto Vice City on the PlayStation Vita. Let's do it. Wow, what an amazing old school trailer. Now, with that being said, I'm gonna tell you guys everything that you're gonna need for this tutorial, okay? It's pretty simple, actually. This is actually one of the most easiest installs I've ever done in my life, okay? Assuming you guys have done some of the stuff from my previous videos, this is gonna be a breeze for you guys. Now, everything you're gonna need is your handy dandy PlayStation Vita. You're gonna need a connector cable. That's gonna be a micro USB cable. And you will need a computer with internet. All right, so first things first, I did provide a link in the description for you guys, so please click on that link. When you click on that link, it'll take you to this amazing website. It is titled the Revisited Trilogy. You'll see three options there. We're gonna go ahead and click the one in the middle, which is GTA Vice City. Awesome. There's some screenshots for you guys, and then we also have the installation bar there. We're gonna click that. Now, this has a bunch of notes for you guys. If it's above your head, then disregard, don't worry about it, okay? We're just gonna scroll to the bottom. You have two download options. We're going to be downloading both of those options. Now, if you click the download button on the game files there, it's a fairly large file. It's gonna be about 1.9 gigabytes there. Go ahead and hit the download button for me. You're gonna go back on that same page, and you're gonna then click the download for the RT launcher, or the launcher RT, okay? Once you have downloaded both of them, please keep in mind you do want to have WinRAR or 7-zip installed so you can extract these folders, okay? Assuming you have those, go to wherever you've downloaded these and you're gonna hit the extraction button there, okay? So for me, it's on my downloads folder, right click, extract all, and I would be extracting them onto my desktop to make it easy, okay? Awesome. So once again, you also have the RT launcher file that's there. Hold on to that. Once you've extracted it, I do advise putting it on your desktop. I have mine on my desktop. You're gonna put both of those files right there in that folder, okay? Now, when you do extract that folder, that game folder, it will have this folder here. That folder will contain the RT. I'm not sure if I put this one there or if it was already there, but I might have put that there. But it will have the RT folder, it will have the GTA VC folder, and that folder will contain all that beautiful milk and honey. All right, cheers to that. So we'll go back. Now, once again, my friends, this is everything that you need on the internet download side, okay, for this game. Now, next step is going to be to get your PlayStation Vita. We are gonna open up Vita Shell, and we are gonna connect it, but keep in mind, you do wanna hit the select button to make sure that it is connected properly and, you know, linking properly to your computer. So let's go ahead and do that. And we're still gonna be on the computer, so I'll open up the Vita folder and we're still gonna continue here, okay? Okay, my friends, go ahead and plug in your PlayStation Vita. You're gonna find Vita Shell, open Vita Shell for me, and let's see. It does open up. You're gonna hit the select button. That should tell your Vita to connect your Vita to the PC, okay, my friends? So with that being said, everything does pop up for me here. Now, it's pretty easy here, believe it or not, okay? So, this is your root file, your root folder on your Vita. And then we do have our downloaded stuff on this side, on the left side, and our root folder on the right side, okay? You're gonna open up the data folder, okay, my friends? In the data folder, you will open up on the left-hand side, open up the RT, okay? And you will copy this and drag and drop that into your data folder, okay? That's going to be the RT. Now keep this in mind. In this RT folder does contain the game, okay? So there's that. Now, let's go back on the root. We're going to hit back. I'm going to go to my main root folder again, or root drive. I do have a folder known as VPKs. I'm going to open that, and you will drop the GTA RT English VPK into that as well. I have already dropped all these folders. That's why I'm not doing that. But you will drop both of those in there, okay? Yeah. And believe it or not, that's really it. Now, once you finish transferring all the files, you can go ahead and unplug your Vita. You want to stay on the Vita shell application, okay? Now, from there, you will find your folder, at least where I put my VPK file, okay? You will find that VPK file before you do anything, okay? Because you do need to install that VPK in order to have that thing pop up, okay? So once you have found that VPK file, it will ask you to install that file, okay? And from there, my friends, hit the install package and should be installing. After everything is done there, that's really it, my friends. That is really it. Let's see if it works up for you guys. There should be a bubble there with GTA bouncing around there. And you're going to click that bubble. It's time to see if it works.
Tommy Vassetti? Ha, shit. Didn't think they'd ever let him out. He kept his head down. Helps people forget. People will remember soon enough. When they see him walking down the streets of their neighborhoods, it will be bad for business. Well, what are we gonna do, Sonny? Treat him like an old friend and keep him busy out of town, okay? We've been talking about expanding down south, right? Vice City is 24 karat gold these days. The Colombians, the Mexicans, hell, even those Cuban refugees are cutting themselves a piece of some nice action.
I poked my head out of the gutter for 1 freaking second and fate shoveled shit in my face. Go get some sleep. What are you gonna do?
I'll drop by your office tomorrow and we can start sorting this mess out.
Well, there you have it, my friends. Another legendary game now on your PlayStation Vita. I'm so glad that this was a simple install. I hope it was an easy install for you. If you had any questions, please jot them in the comment section below. And once again, I apologize for taking so long. I've been very busy in my personal life, but here we are again. I'm glad to see you guys, okay? Oh, got another phone call. Hey, man, I just finished the video.
Hey, Cloudy, this ain't about the video. Where's that $15 million?
I'll catch you guys around.